for the moment. Teens are meant to be among the best years of our life, but the pressure on our young students often sees some very unhappy and extremely avoidable endings. A young girl with 92% killed herself in Delhi after failing to get into an institution she desperately wanted. Sadly, it's not an isolated case, but one that has reverberations across the country.
अभी भी लगता है शायद अभी भी आ जाएगा, खिड़की से आवाज दे देगा, बाहर से आवाज दे। हम लोग नहीं, विश्वास अभी भी नहीं कि हमने अपने हाथों से उसे दफन कर दिया।
The class 7 student took his own life after failing his exams. What's scary is that in the last 1 month alone, 30 students across the country have committed suicide. Could there be a bigger wake-up call for those who make our education policy?
The joke isn't that funny.
Do I look like I'm joking? You are in medical college and good friend of mine. I'm asking your advice on what is the most painless and grateful way to go. And it should be available at any friendly neighborhood chemist.
Dude, you topped your school. How much did you score in class 12 boards?
92%.
90 what?
Anjali, the dude scored 92% in commerce. Do you know if anyone who scored more than that?
How? You must have studied a lot.
I've done nothing. But studied in last 2 years.
So no hobbies?
My only hobbies were having 3 meals and sleeping 5 hours a day. And rest of the time with my books. And see what I've got. Sorry.
Dude, with 92% you should be fine.
But not according to SRCC, not according to Hindu, not according to Stevens. Oh, what the heck? I snuck it out early morning. So at moment I wouldn't see it.
Wow, you will really see now. BCom honors is at 95.5%.
That's a girl's college.
I know that.
Don't worry, you wouldn't have made it anyway.
Why don't you go and spend some of your father's money? Gautam? 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 Dude, stop killing yourself. For us, you're still the school topper.
So what do I do? This top attack makes the things worse. My parents threw a party for my friends and relatives. Like I've made it big time in life. I cut a cake with, I think, family superstar.
That's nice.
That's not nice at all.
There's still some colleges you will get.
But none with the same brand value. I made one tiny little calculation error in my math paper. And yet, one stupid unit conversion wrong. That's all. If only.
Gautam, relax. That paper is done. And sticklers don't do well in life. Only imaginative and innovative people do.
That's not what Dio thinks. I think we should go.
Rich dad's daughters.
My treat. Leave people happy on a last day.
Of course. I take this as a treat for cracking your board, right?
When will the university announce the cutoffs? In a few days.
No, I could not hang myself. I can't bear suffocation. Dear Education Minister, I hope you are doing fine and the last staff of your massive bungalow is treating you well. I won't take much of your time. I have scored only 92% in my class 12th and I have decided to end up my life. Why? I'll give you a reason. I saw that 8.9 lakhs candidates took the CBSE class 12 exam in 2009, a number that has grown to 12.5 lakhs in 2014. This is just one board. We probably had 1 crore students taking the class 12 exam this year and the top 10% alone of these 1 crore students in 10 lakh children. Yes, these 10 lakh students are the class toppers. Come to think of it, it would be good for our country too. If we train our bright children well to be part of new, shining, and the so-called globalized India. But then, it looks like you have stopped making universities. Ever wondered what happens to the rest of us year after year? Do we join a second run college, a deemed university, a distance learning program, a degree in an expensive racist country? Your government runs a lot of things. You run airline, hotels, and media stations that never makes money. However, in something as important as shaping the young generation, you have stepped back. Why? Why have you stopped making new universities? You have all the land you want. Teachers love to get a government job. Education funds are never questioned. Still, why? Why don't we have new A grade universities in every state capital, for instance? Oh well. Sorry. I'm overreacting. I know I've screwed up. I should have worked harder to get another 3%. Only if I had not done that calculation error in my math paper, I would be fine. In fact, I'm one of the lucky ones. In 4 years, the number of candidates would double. So then, we will have a college that only has 99% scorers. Yours truly, Gautam, poor student. Come in.
What happened, bro?
What? What happened?
Why you lied to dad?
Don't you think much, dear? You'll get to know when you clear your boards. What?
My son passed class 12th.
How much did he score?
42%. He passed English too.
What will he do now?
I don't know. Maybe his own business. He can repair mobile phones.
How was the day, Dad?
Divya, job candidates are not what they used to be these days. I interviewed for new trainees today. Disappointing.
Really?
Yes. Like this boy from Stephens, very bright. But only when it came to his subject. I asked him a different question. I said, how do you go about having a tea shop chain like a coffee shop chain? And he went blank. Even a boy from SRCC. He has topped his college. But you should have seen his arrogance. Before interview starts, he says, I hope at the end of our meeting you will be able to tell me why I should join Tata Tea. Can you imagine? I'm twice his age. If you ask me, the best candidate was from Bhopal. He didn't get into top colleges, but he was an 80% student. He said, I want to learn. And I want to show you don't need to get in the top college to learn something. To do well in your life, good people do anywhere. What a kid. Thank God we have selected him in the first place.
So, did he get the job?
Companies need good workers, not posh certificates. Even we are having a meeting to discuss our shortlisting criteria again. It is very hard to get in the top colleges. Only tunnel vision people are being selected.
Then why are you asking bro to join SRCC or Stephens?
Actually, after today I would say, don't just go by the name. Study the college, figure out their dedication, and make sure they don't create arrogant nuts. After that, the brand, you will be fine. Because world needs good people.
So, should I study some more colleges and decision after this?
Yes, of course. Gautam, you should have seen this boy from Bhopal.
Hello?
Hello, Gautam.
Hello, Yash uncle.
Dad is in the living room, finishing dinner. Should I call him?
Oh, don't disturb him. Just tell him his mobile is with me. We were on a field trip today.
Field trip? For interviews?
What interview? No, we just went to Chandigarh office and he left it in my car. Good night, beta. Bye.
Bye, uncle. Good night. Cut-off list? It means Dad know all the situation and created all this drama to make me understand?
By the way, I forget to tell you. Gupta auntie came again. Can you teach her daughter?
Maybe. By the way, is she pretty?